Okay, if you want to fix the payment method on TikTok, here's how it works. First, head over to your TikTok profile, then tap on the three lines at the top and choose balance. Now tap on balance and then live rewards. Here's the important part. Make sure you have at least $100 in your account for the withdrawal. You cannot withdraw the amount below $100, so keep that in mind. The second thing you need to check is your payment method. Make sure all of your credentials are entered correctly because sometimes incorrect payment information can cause these issues. If it's still not working, go back and select settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down and select help center. From there, select chat with us, explain your problem to the support assistant, and hopefully it's gonna find a solution for you. If you click the visit help center at the end, search for payment in the search bar. You'll find many common issues related to the payment methods. Just choose the article related to your problem, scroll down and click contact TikTok shop. From there, you can submit a ticket explaining the problem in detail. You can also attach screenshots if needed, and it's going to be reviewed by a real person, and then your issue gets resolved within a few hours. That's basically how it works. Hope this helps. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.